In this video, I'll teach you how to use Mediafire for your file storage. You must register as a member of the site before you can upload and download files through the website. Upon registering your account, go to the website Mediafire.com and I'll be showing you how to upload files on Mediafire, where you can store your files and also share it with anyone simply through a download link. On your account page, click on the Upload button located on your top tab. You can choose to upload from your computer or web. I'm just going to show you how to upload a file from your computer. The following page will appear. Click on the plus sign in the center of the page. You can select any files you want to upload. After selecting the files for upload, click the Confirm button on the pop-up menu and start uploading. After you've selected the files for upload, click the Begin Upload button and the web page will start uploading your files. Wait for the status bar to become 100% and your file is uploaded to Mediafire File Storage. You can click Return to My Files button to see your file is already uploaded to your storage. You can share your uploaded file to anyone, online simply through sharing a download link. Click on the Drop button by your file. Click the Copy Link button and the link will be copied to your clipboard where you can paste it to anyone you want to share to.